Hey, I'm Beck Sadek, and I help network marketers scale their business on social media from $1,000 to $3,000 a month to 10K plus. Today, what I want to do is I want to share with you the 4 components you need to have an effective Facebook business page. So let's go ahead and start with number 1, which is having a clearly defined profile picture. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about here. Right over here, you have got your profile picture. You want it to be a clear picture of you. No dogs, no cats, right? You want people to connect with who you are, recognize you, and ideally you want it to also match the profile picture on your personal page so that people can connect the dots between who you are and all your different social media channels. The second thing you're going to need to have is a clear cover photo, right? So you want your cover photo to not be about you, but you want it to be about how it is that you can go and help other people. So what you see here in this cover page is a very clear I help statement, okay? So I'm going to give you a formula for your I help statement. A formula for your I help statement is I help, and then you can insert your niche, achieve, and then you can insert a desired result, and then without, insert a pain, okay? So I help, insert your niche, achieve, insert your desired result without a pain. Here's an example for you. I help working moms lose the last 10 pounds without crash dieting. Okay, so that is number 3. Number 4 is going to be your learn more button, which you see right here. A lot of people skip this step, and this is how you're going to actually collect leads when people visit your Facebook page. You want to make sure that you capture them. So what you can do here is you can actually have a link that links to some sort of a capture page where you can go ahead and capture people's information. What you don't want is this to go to your company website, right? You don't want people to go to your shopping website. You want to make sure that they have a way to talk with you first. So either a link to a capture page, or it can be a link to your calendar so they can schedule a time to talk with you more. But you want to make sure that you have something there so that you can capture people's information. Those are the 4 components that you need for a successful Facebook business page to grow your network marketing business. I'm Beck Sadek, and I will talk to you soon.